All right, cool. So give me a 1 yes if you can hear me loud and clear and if you can see the VirtualReel dashboard. Awesome, cool. All right, let's get started. VirtualReel lets you create VR videos for Metaverse Web 3.0 that you can publish on Facebook, YouTube, or any social media website, or even watch them using VR goggles or glasses. Now, there are 5 kinds of videos that you can create using VirtualReel. First is creating a virtual reality video from scratch where you pick a video background and add elements on top of it. Second is an option where you create virtual reality video from text. I'll show you an example. And you can see as I can scroll through, I can add video, I can add text on top of it. There's a video on top of it. This is a background image, or it could also be a background video that I'll show you. And you can keep on adding more slides just like this, or you can add 3D animated characters like this. Or you can also create a background video and then have another background video on top of it. And you can scroll around, add more slide, add more text, whatever you want. Same way you can convert any regular video into a virtual reality video. So let's say you have your own video or other people's video, and you can convert that into a virtual video. So this is a normal video. As you can see, it's playing, it's a normal video, but it's also a virtual reality video. So if I scroll around, you can see the canvas changes, and this could be a background image or a background video as well. And you can just keep playing this as a normal video, as you can see right here. And you can convert a panoramic image. So if you take a panoramic image from your phone's camera, you can upload it and convert that into a virtual reality video. Or you can take any virtual reality video that you have created and convert it into a normal spinning video, just like this. So as you can see, this is not a VR video, but this video automatically spins around. You can control the speed, you can control how long the video is going to be and how many times it's going to keep on spinning around. So it's super easy to use VirtualReel. You click on any of these options. So let's start with the VR video from scratch, because all the other options are pretty much similar, right? So you can pick from 3D VR video background templates. We have thousands of them. You can click on load more. It's going to show you more. You can preview them by clicking on preview button over here. You can select from camera footage, which is like real people doing skydiving or other things. And these are all Creative Commons videos, so these are completely safe to use. And you can click on load more to pick more, or you can upload your own virtual reality 360-degree video. Now for this demo, let's pick one of these videos. Let me pick this one. Now, as you can see, the editor has loaded. You can preview your video over here, your timeline. You can control your audio settings from here. Now, you can change the background video if you don't like this one. You can again pick from all these options that we just saw. We can add text. Now if I click on this text, I can type in it, whatever text you want to add, right? You can drag and drop and put it on any part of the video. So when you preview this video, really, it's actually going to just load this much, and then you scroll around. So if you scroll around, you'll come to this part and this text will disappear, and you can put another video or text. You can of course fully customize this text, bold, italic, change fonts, add a background image, background color, whatever you want, right? You can add images. You can search from millions of images that we have, so you can place this image wherever you want. Maybe if you want to put it on top of the text, or you want to put it here. Same way you can add a video, and you can place that video to play anywhere on top of the you can add multiple videos if you want. Next step is where you can add emojis. Lots of emojis that we have options here that you can search from and pick from. You can even add 3D animated characters. Now we have a library of over 500 3D animated characters that you get access to, and you can add any of those on the video and drag and drop and slide them and put them wherever you want. Now, as you can see, there's a green screen background here, but when the video is rendered, this would be disappearing, and it would be transparent. So you can put this anywhere, like you want this person to be dancing on top of this mountain peak, so you can make it small and put it here. But when the video is actually created, it's going to look quite big, right? Because you're only going to see a small canvas, and then you have to scroll around to see it, right? Then you can of course add the background music from our library. You can add text to speech from multiple different languages and accents, or you can upload your own voiceover or background music. Finally, you can add and upload an intro video and an outro video, like your logo intro, your logo outro if you're creating video for YouTube. And in the settings, you can decide how long do you want the video to be. So if I want this to be 30 seconds, I'm going to type in 30 and it's going to be 30 seconds, and then that's it. I can either save this, preview this, or start rendering this campaign. As VirtualReel will start going out there, collecting all the resources and creating this video for you. Now, once the video is created, just like this, you can either edit it, you can download it to your computer, you can click on publish and publish it on Facebook, YouTube directly from our dashboard. As you can see, there are multiple integration options. You can trim it, you can change its size from, you can convert it into a square video or a story video, right? And you can join multiple videos. So if you create multiple VR videos, 2 of these you want to join them, you can use Reel Merge to join these videos as well. Now, of course, some of these features are part of the Pro and Unlimited upgrades, which you can also get access to. You can view all your projects that you have created, all the videos that you have created, and you can continue editing them later. And you can, of course, edit the one that you have rendered already. So pretty simple, pretty powerful, pretty easy to use, straightforward virtual reality video creator. Best part is you can convert anybody's videos or your own existing videos into VR videos and start leveraging metaverse, start leveraging Web 3.0 and getting into creating this new form of video content, which is going to be the future of video content. So this is VirtualReel. This will be the video. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our support desk by clicking on this icon up here. Cheers.